And look what happened. He's not going to be very happy when he sees it. I don't know what I'm going to do. Oh, what's this? Oh, wow. I remember what this is. It's Santa's magic bell. Sometimes something very special happens if you ring it. I don't know if I should though. Do you think I should? Nothing's going to happen. Did you hear that? There's someone else ringing a bell.
Did you ring the bell?
I did ring the bell! Because I'm in a bit of a pickle.
What's wrong?
Well, I was to sort Santa's Christmas tree. It's ended up a disaster.
Where is it?
Behind you.
Yes.
The smallest Christmas tree in the world. Santa's not going to be happy. I don't know what I'm going to do.
Don't worry. We can help.
Really? What do you mean?
We've got our magic elf wands.
Yes.
Santa gave us them. Yes.
Can you find me a Christmas tree?
Yes.
Oh no, you can't do that.
We can with our magic elf wands.
Where did they go?
Don't worry, Scottie Dottie. We'll find you a Christmas tree. Look, we've got you one.
That might be a bit big.
So yours. Let's use our elf
Oh, that's perfect. Oh, amazing. Very well done indeed.
We got decorations. Elfie to the rescue! Let's decorate them. Santa will love these.
Oh, wow. My little elves, this is amazing. Oh, I don't know what I would have done without you.
This is what you do in the North Pole. It's really easy.
Oh, you make it look so easy. These are the special decorations you're making the North Pole.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, I've got a lot of work to do if I'm going to be a proper elf for Santa.
I can show you.
Okay.
I'll get some glitter for you.
So sparkly. Santa's going to have a beautiful green North Pole. Oh, decorations. What do we do next?
You put them on the Christmas tree. Let's go.
Right.
Now we need some lights. Right this second. Special lights. Abracadabra, make the lights appear.
Oh, wow.
Wait, we're missing the star. I think I know where it is.
Oh, wow, the star.
Bubbling skate. You like it, Scottie Dottie?
Do I like it? I love it. Oh, thank you so much.
You are welcome.
It's beautiful. Isn't it, boys and girls? So much magic going on today. Oh, Elfies, thank you so much for my beautiful tree.
Here's the special ones.
Oh no, I think you should keep that.
We've still got lots to do on Christmas Eve.
Oh my goodness, that's right.
Ones.
Oh wow, well maybe I'll see you in Santa's workshop. What if I have any more problems?
Just ring your bell and you'll be straight there.
Oh wow! Ring my special Santa bell, you'll come and help me.
Yeah, you take this everywhere when it's Christmas Eve.
Okay, I will. And maybe one day I'll be an amazing elf like you. Oh, thank you, Elfies. Okay then, boys and girls. And remember to be good for Santa. Yeah?
Scottie Dottie!